In this video, I'll show you how to customize the layout, colors, calculation effects, and typography of the quote and cut front-end form. All front-end styling controls are available from the dedicated Styles page inside the quote and cut menu. The Styles page controls the front-end form layout, color palette, part preview effects, typography, and the image used for multi-part jobs. Begin with front-end form style. Quote and cut includes 3 complete layouts: Classic, Studio, and Workbench. Classic is the original stacked form layout, with each part of the quotation displayed in sequence. Studio uses a 2-column builder, with the live summary, calculation progress, and pricing pinned on the right. Workbench uses an accordion-style quote builder, with the summary and main actions positioned below the parts list. For this example, we'll select Studio and save the chosen front-end layout. Cart and order display controls the WooCommerce product image used when a quote and cut job contains multiple parts. You can select your own generic multi-part job image from the WordPress media library. Reset to default restores the bundled quote and cut image. Once the preferred image is selected, save the styles. The plugin color palette controls the main colors used throughout the front-end quotation interface. Primary accent is used for primary buttons, selected controls, highlights, and other important interface elements. Secondary accent is used for secondary buttons and supporting interface accents. Background controls the overall quotation interface, while card background controls the individual panels and cards. Primary text is used for headings and main content. Secondary text is used for descriptions, hints, and supporting labels. Border color controls the borders and dividers that separate the different parts of the interface. Success color is used for successful states and confirmation messages, while danger color is used for errors and warnings. Preview effect color controls the animation shown over the part preview during calculation. Leaving this blank automatically uses the primary accent color. Hover colors are generated automatically at 10% darker than the selected color, so they do not need to be configured separately. Part preview effects control the animation displayed over each component, while quote and cut is calculating its price. The available effects are off, scan sweep, pulse glow, blueprint grid, and corner brackets. For this example, we'll use scan sweep, which moves a scanning bar across the part preview while the calculation is running. Typography can be configured separately for each major part of the front-end form. Body text controls the main descriptive copy across the quotation form. Here, we'll use Inter. Headings controls panel titles and major section headings. We'll use Montserrat to give these elements greater emphasis. Labels and helper text controls form labels, small supporting copy, and status captions. Inputs and selects controls the text displayed inside form fields, selection controls, and upload buttons. Buttons and actions controls primary actions such as calculate quote, add material, and add to cart. Prices and totals controls quotation totals, component prices, and other high-emphasis numeric values. Each typography field can also be left on default, allowing the selected form style to use its original plugin font. The live preview updates as the settings change, allowing you to check the palette and typography before opening the front-end form. We can now return to the front end and review the completed styling changes. The Studio layout is now active, with the new accent colors and typography applied across the quotation interface. To test the complete design, upload a DXF and continue through the quotation as a customer would. Check that selected options, form labels, input text, and buttons all remain clear and easy to read. During calculation, the selected scan sweep effect appears over the component using the configured preview color. Once calculation is complete, the selected price font, success color, and primary actions remain consistent with the rest of the form. Quote and cut can now provide instant online pricing through a layout and visual style that matches the rest of your website.